What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Shiba Inu here today. As you can see, we're in a little bit of a consolidation period here with Shiba Inu, so we're definitely going to be going over this and why it's actually a bullish pattern. So yeah, definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out a lot with the YouTube algorithm. And also leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely send over a PayPal donation through the PayPal donation link inside the description and the Cash App link in the description if you want to donate to the channel. And also hit the like button, subscribe. That also helps a lot too. And also, if you want automatic trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. It will bring you all these trading indicators. They're automatically done, so you get your automatic technical analysis and watch it load up like that, like magic. So yeah, definitely check that out, and let's get straight to this video. So the first thing I want to show right here is the second we hit the bottom of this little ascending triangle here, we actually had a chance of reversal. See these green bars right here, these are supply and demand areas, these green and red bars. What this is actually showing us is that every time we get down here, we're just in huge demand for Shiba Inu. And right now, like right in the middle of that. And these high activity expected, these are institutional interests and also the dark pools. So whenever you go over there, you can take it off and you see that it'll go off. And these are, high activity expected, meaning that as soon as we break out of this consolidation, we're expected to have high institutional interest, meaning high purchase orders, really big buy orders. So a lot of stuff is about to get going on. The bulls inside the Shiba Inu market are in control by 60% in the last 24 hours. That's actually pretty big. And we're on an uptrend here. This is really good that we're on an uptrend at the end of our consolidation. This is showing us that we actually might just break out of this consolidation into a positive pattern, a positive trend line. And actually, when we end up getting over here, we are going to have some resistance here at the supply demand area. This is showing us that we may not have as much demand, but this might actually be an invalidated less demand area, because as you can see, we're having high activity expected. There's going to be high institutional interest and high whales buying. These whales are going to be high on the activity list. So meaning the second we get to this supply demand area, it's going to invalidate that thesis that we're going to have low demand. It's going to be high demand this time, and that means that we're going to be breaking out of our resistance, actually heading up to our next level. So low activity expected around 3150. When we actually hit 3150, that resistance, that's going to be a low activity area, meaning that we're probably going to end up breaking out of this consolidation. Let me show you exactly what I believe we're going to end up doing, right? So let's go here and hit the auto again. Right now, let's unhit the auto. So look, whenever we actually go and break out of this consolidation, we're going to end up going up here, right? And then we're going to have a little bit of resistance, but not a lot, because we're going to have a high activity. And then once we break out of there, we're going to end up going up here to 3150. Now, when we get to 3150, it's going to be some resistance. It's going to be low activity. So what we're going to end up doing is probably retracing back down to the 29 area. And when we retrace back down to there, we're going to build more momentum to go back up. As you can see here on the oscillator on the bottom of the screen, like look over here, we were overbought previously back here inside of Shib, right? We are a little overbought. Let's go over here to the auto view. So look, we're a little overbought here when we're going on our chance for reversal. And then we had that reversal here from here over here to the oversold area to here, bullish. As you can see on the oscillator, these cells are becoming less prominent. They're becoming smaller, 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 and smaller, right into a bullish pattern. As you can see here at the end of the oscillator, you can see that we're actually building up more purchasing and more buying inside of Shib. So we're seeing a lot of market control with the bulls. So we're actually about to break out in a bullish pattern here. This is actually pretty good for Shib, because Shib has been, trading sideways for a little while, but not even necessarily sideways. Like we went all the way down to the 20 area. And since we went down to the 20 area on the 7th of October, we've actually been rising slowly. And that's a good sign that we're actually about to break out again here in Shib. So Shib is about to have another leg up. Look, every time we are oversold, we're actually counteracted with buy orders, with bullish momentum. Every time we're oversold, we're counteracted with bullish momentum. Oversold here, bullish. Oversold here, bullish, bullish, bullish. So this is happening like inside of real time right now. This is going to be really big for Shib. Shib is really about to take off. We're going to be going over other people's perspective on the technical analysis, but very briefly, because there's a lot of different perspectives on the technical analysis, right? So let's go over this. Now, before I go over it, remember Vital Algo, definitely check out the link in the description if you want these automatic trading indicators. A lot of people have been asking about it. It's called Vital Algo. Definitely check out the link in the description and you can check that out. And the best pricing is probably going to be the yearly pricing, which is going to run you a good $500. But they're technical indicators, So you got to think about it like you're making huge money on this. Like literally, if you would have bought Shib right here when it told you that there was a chance of reversal to the upside, then you would have been able to go all the way up here. And then it would have told you right here that there's about to be a strong downtrend. So that's when you would have wanted to sell. And then right there, it would have told you we're about to go on an uptrend. That's when you want to buy. That's when you want to sell right there. And then just like back here, it tells you like, look, we're about to go on an uptrend after this a little downtrend here. After this downtrend, we're going straight on an uptrend. So look, it would have told you right here, like buy it right now. And if you watch these charts all the time, then you would know exactly when to buy it and you'll make a lot of money. You would have bought in at 22.17. You would have sold out up here at 28.13. I just want to put things in perspective just to show you how significant this is, right? Like if you sit here and you watch these charts for a while, you will make money. You will make money. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice, but you will make money. Anyways, 22.30, right? 22.30 is where you buy in. 28.25 or 28.20 is when you sell out, right? So divided by 0.0002230, right? This is when you're buying in. That's going to give you 448 million sheep. And then when you want it to sell, would be 28.20 right up here. So what you want to do is 0.00002820, and boom, you would have made $2,645. And exactly right here is at 12 a.m. And then right up here, wow, from 12 a.m. to 1 p.m. So, or not 12 a.m. to 1 p.m. Look at me. 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. From 12 p.m. to 1 p.m., 1 hour, you would have made $2,645 if you would have put $10,000 in. This is very significant. Actual millionaires use this, and there's actually confirmation from the CEO himself that actual millionaires use this program because it's very essential for you to use this program. So if you want to do what the millionaires are doing, the big boys, then this is exactly what you want to do. And just to put things in perspective, when you do this on a larger scale, you just got to think about the numbers that you're really going. And anyways, this is day trading. This is day trading on actual positions. This isn't even margin. This isn't even shorting. You're not shorting it. You're just day trading. You're buying this, you're buying the crypto, selling the crypto. You're not leveraging the crypto. You're not shorting it. This is just doing that. And imagine if you were shorting it. You don't want to short Shib right now. Definitely not want to short Shib. But imagine if you're shorting something like a stock that's going down, But anyways, let's do this right here. $1 million by like what 22 I think I said 22.30. Yeah, that's actually when that was. So $1 million divided by 0.0002230, right? And then you just go ahead and multiply that by 0.0002820. Now, if you had $1 million, you would have made $264,000 literally in 1 hour. So this is very significant right here. Really big stuff right here at Vital Algo. Actual millionaires are using this every single day. But anyways, let's move on with this. So Shiba Inu defends 0.000024 area as Shib aims for further gains. So Shiba Inu price gained a staggering 330% return this week before fading a bit. But anyways, Shib price still has more room to upside as bulls now target the 0.00004 area. Expect bulls to rejoin the rally at 2391 and sit tight for another leg higher as long as favorable tailwinds underpin Shib price action. So yeah, big stuff going on here. It's saying around 2391, all the bulls are starting to buy in, and that was way back here, and that was actually at the chance of reversal. Who knows? Maybe FX Street is using Vital Algo because actually they bought right at the point where they're pretty much telling you to buy at. Like they bought at the point where it's telling you that there's about to be a reversal on the uptrend. So that's pretty significant there because FX Street, they're really solidified here in the crypto and stock space. So shout out to them for that. Now, as you can see, Shiba Inu price appreciated 330%. And over here, you can see the first support level to offer itself as entry point for another rally to 4,000. So we're about to have some huge resistance there, but we're about to rally there very soon. So Shiba Inu price offers entry levels for patient buyers at 2391. And that's exactly what we're seeing now. As cryptocurrencies are on the front foot, expect that Bitcoin will rally towards 60K, eventually leading Shib to rally towards 0.0004. So this is about to be big. It's about to be our new all-time high. You can look at the charts here that they're actually doing, and there's about to be some big numbers here inside of Shib. We're about to have huge numbers here in Shib. So definitely continue to watch out for that. There's big stuff about to go on here in Shib inside the future. And if Shib cannot, break past the areas we were talking about up there, then eventually Shib will hit 2,000 and then 1240, which is very unlikely. But anyways, bulls do not want to risk getting stopped out in the middle of the rally and look for a lower entry level to get involved. And that's why they bought in around 2390. So we definitely have some big stuff going on here. And this is someone directly from the Shibarmy called Leon Thor. He actually said the lions have spoken, and this is a bullish indicator here, people are thinking, why is it going all the way down like that? Why is the volume going down? Well, look at what this person has to say. Shout out to Conversion GFX. So this person says, for anyone not understanding, this is a breakout pattern. The theory is that the price is actually going down, but at the same time, the selling volume is reducing as indicated by the red bars getting smaller, which theoretically means the buyers are about to take over and push price up and past the upper slanted line. As you can see, the buyers are taking over. Bulls are in control by 60% here inside Sheep. And look at this. We're looking at this from a good perspective here. And think about if we look at this from the 1 minute chart. Even if we look at it from the 1 minute chart, it's still bullish. Like, look at these movements here. These are huge movements here, very big right now. So we definitely have some huge, potential here with Sheep. I don't like looking at the 1 minute chart that much. I just don't like how it looks. I'd rather look at it from the 15-minute chart. It gives you a more longer term perspective, and it's just better for me. I just like it a lot more. But anyways, check out the period between 8 and 9 on the x-axis. Selling pressure reduced and buyers took over, indicated by the sudden large green bar, also known as a bullish engulfing candle. This is a perfect example. Anyways, of course, it doesn't always happen like that. Price is still going to do whatever it's going to do. Remember, no, I'm not a financial advisor, and this financial advice. Pretty sure this person is not a financial advisor either. But they say between the 8 and the 9 axis, as you can see. Let's click on that again so you can actually see that. So over here, the 8 and the 9 axis, they say, look at that, and look at how the huge reversal from the downside up into an uptrend there. So as you can see, it was going down even though the volume was huge. And then look, the volume starts to get smaller, yet Shiba Inu's price starts to go up. So that's actually a really bullish sign right there. So yeah, let's move on from here though. You can see right now Shib doing huge numbers in the last 30 days. All that good stuff right there. We now have 705,737 people inside the Sheep army. And yesterday we had 704,561. So from 705,737, hit that refresh button, all the way up to 705,877, about 130 people just now invested, 140 people just now invested in the Sheep within like the last 10 minutes of us making this video. That's pretty significant right there. Shout out to them for investing in the Sheep. And we got more technical analysis here that we're going to briefly go over. Just to kind of, put things in perspective here. Major resistance at 31. And actually, you can see, let's click on the auto here so we can scroll up. You can see low activity is expected at 31. Low activity meaning there's going to be low purchases from whales and institutional investors. So when there's low activity, that means that there's heavy resistance right there. So that's why I really like Vital Algo, because you can just look at it and it tells you the exact technical analysis that you need to know. Anyways, look at this over here. 2831 is going to be that Fibonacci retracement for us. But yeah, we have a lot going on here for Sheep. So definitely shout out to Sheep for the day ahead. As you can see, we're going to have that pivot level at 27.4. And then we're going to have some resistance at that 3.0 area. And then we're going to have some more resistance at 31 if we break the 3 area. And then eventually at 35 and then 339. And then eventually leading us all the way up here to our first major resistance. So we got a lot going on here for Shiba Inu. And the technical analysis is pretty much the same for everyone. Everyone's looking at this from the same perspective. We all have the same technical analysis because it's the technical analysis. It's the facts. It's the facts about what is happening. Facts are the truth, and the truth hurts whenever you are in denial. So anyways, this is a huge technical analysis video. This is like a very big signal for people right now that want to jump into the Shib army, but are like, I don't want to invest at such high amounts. This might be your last chance before we take off again. I'm just saying, and I remember I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice, so I don't 100% know what's gonna happen. But all the signals are showing us that it's gonna be on the uptrend. So that's all I'm saying there. I'm not telling you to dump all your money in Sheep. I'm gonna be completely honest. I don't even have Sheep right now because I sold it before everything started rallying, so I can get baby Doge. And yeah, that's pretty much what happened to me. And that's why I'm telling you all: if you have it now, don't sell it. Just wait. Just watch for it. If you don't have it now, that's completely up to you what you want to do. But me personally, I'm gonna get back into Sheep, but I have like money in other places. Like, I just now stacked my Miami coins for 180 days, so my money is locked in Miami coin for 180 days for 430% APY on OK coin. So that's gonna be doing some good numbers there in the future. And also got a lot of money in baby Dogecoin. Not a lot of money. I got a little bit of money in baby Dogecoin here and there, but I'm gonna be getting a lot more money inside of crypto inside of these coming days. So yeah, definitely hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go hit the PayPal link in the description. Really helps the YouTube channel out a lot. I do a lot of research on this. And also, if you want these automatic trading indicators, go ahead and check out the Vital Algo link in the description. Use the discount code Marsellis upon your purchase, and then you will actually get 25% off. So definitely do that. And if you don't like it within the first 7 days of using it, you can cancel without having to pay anything. So that's also a very big plus to Vital Algo. But anyways, check out the links in the description, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.